Welcome to Cars Trends, your go-to channel for the latest automotive insights and reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 BMW M3 competition, a vehicle that continues to set the benchmark for high-performance sedans by blending exhilarating power with everyday practicality. The 2025 BMW M3 competition boasts a striking design that commands attention on the road. Its aggressive front fascia features the iconic kidney grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that enhance its bold appearance. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic side mirrors contribute to its dynamic profile, while the flared wheel arches house 19-inch front and 20-inch rear alloy wheels, emphasizing its sporty stance. At the rear, a subtle lip spoiler and quad exhaust outlets not only add to its aesthetic appeal but also hint at the performance capabilities within. Under the hood, the M3 competition is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine that delivers an impressive 523 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. This power plant is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, enabling the sedan to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. The M3 competition comes standard with BM's xDrive all-wheel drive system, providing enhanced traction and stability across various driving conditions. Drivers can also select a rear-wheel drive mode for a more traditional M-car experience, offering greater control and engagement for enthusiasts. Stepping inside the M3 competition reveals a driver-focused cockpit adorned with premium materials and advanced technology. The cabin features merino leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents, creating an ambiance of refined sportiness. The M Sport seats offer exceptional support and comfort, with heating and ventilation functions available for added convenience. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen display provide intuitive access to vehicle information, navigation, and entertainment options. The latest iDrive 8.5 infotainment system ensures seamless connectivity, supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The M3 competition is equipped with a suite of advanced technologies designed to enhance both performance and safety. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring contribute to a safer driving experience. The M-Drive Professional system offers track-oriented tools, including a lap timer and drift analyzer, allowing drivers to fine-tune their skills on the circuit. Additionally, the head-up display projects critical information onto the windshield, enabling drivers to stay informed without diverting attention from the road. Beyond its performance credentials, the M3 competition offers practical utility for daily use. The spacious cabin comfortably accommodates 5 passengers, with ample legroom and headroom in both the front and rear seats. The trunk provides generous cargo space, making it suitable for weekend getaways or daily errands. Despite its sporty nature, the M3 competition maintains a comfortable ride quality, thanks to its adaptive M suspension that adjusts damping characteristics based on driving conditions. In the competitive landscape of high-performance sedans, the 2025 BMW M3 competition stands out by offering a harmonious blend of power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Competing against rivals such as the Mercedes-AMG C63 and the Audi RS5 Sportback, the M3 competition distinguishes itself with its engaging driving dynamics and versatile capabilities. Its ability to deliver exhilarating performance on the track while remaining practical for daily use makes it a compelling choice for enthusiasts seeking a do-it-all sports sedan. In conclusion, the 2025 BMW M3 competition continues to uphold the legacy of the M3 lineage, delivering a driving experience that excites and engages. With its potent engine, sophisticated design, and advanced features, it caters to drivers who demand both performance and practicality. Whether carving through winding roads or navigating city streets, the M3 competition offers an unparalleled blend of exhilaration and everyday usability. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 BMW M3 competition. If you enjoyed this deep dive and wish to stay updated on the latest automotive trends, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to Cars Trends for more in-depth reviews and industry insights. Your support enables us to continue bringing you the content you love. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.